Hello, my name is Robert Brooks. The class is AOC. The term is 1406. This is a video review of my project for this class. The first question is, what did I do for my project? Well, the project for this week was a continuation of building on our project 3 from last week, and I created adding a little bit of functionality to it. And what functionality we had to add was, number one, we had to, instead of using delegates, we had to pass information using an unwind segue, and I successfully did that. I'll give you a demo real quick of the application. At the top we have the event planner, we have the save button, and I'll get to that here in a second. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our add event view by clicking add event. First thing I want you to notice is that if you go to click this save button, an error message will display, and it says please enter an event to continue. And it will not allow you to leave this view unless an event has been added into the text field. Now once you add an event into the text field, and we'll add one here just to show you from last week that the closed keyboard works. So let's go ahead and save it. It goes ahead and populates the text view on the first page. Let's add a couple more events here. That way we can see exactly what the save function on the using the NS user defaults does. So let's go ahead and save. All right, so we have two events in there now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click this save button in the top right, and it's going to save the information to the device using the NS user defaults. So we'll go ahead and save, and let's go ahead and exit the application, close it. We'll go ahead and launch it again, and you see that those two events are already there as soon as you launch the application. So let's go ahead and add another event. Say event 3 and save. So it appends, so it takes the events and just keeps appending them, so it doesn't rewrite the events every time you add an event. It just adds it to the list, and we can save that one again just to show you and yet again it has it, all three events. And just for good measure, we'll go ahead and add one more. So that's showing you the functionality of this application. The second question is, list a few things that you think you could use more clarification with. To be honest, I thought all the guides and the activities really helped me through this, and I really didn't have much question. If I were to choose something though that I could have used more clarification on, it would be the should perform segue with identifier, and it's a Boolean. It's a little bit different than prepare for segue, but to be honest with you, in the video that was showing how to pass, the example video that was showing how to pass information, really outlined it all. I had to go out and do a little bit of research, but I'm the type of person that the research actually probably helps me, and kind of figuring things out on my own, it helps me to be a better developer, because you can see different methods that different people use. What do I think I could have done better? I would definitely say just the whole UI graphics and layout. It's very simplistic, and that's what this project called for. But I would definitely like to get into. I would definitely like to style the application a little bit better and be a little bit more sharp. Maybe if I were to create the buttons programmatically, maybe I'd have a little bit more control over what they look like and their function. But all in all, I thought that this class really I really took to this class, and I thought all the information in the activities proved very helpful when completing my projects. Um, I look forward to hearing everybody's videos, and look forward to the next programming class. Thank you.